face to your brand because of these days and how people duplicate a lot of things online.
How to sell more and make more money in your business. Okay, I did a short interview with Ubi Franklin. Okay, just getting some few tips from him about business. All right, and he shared some important stuff with me, which I'm going to be playing for you guys shortly. Okay, and what I want to talk about real quick is how to put a face, okay, to your brand to sell more. All right, because putting a face to your business or to your brand, okay, builds trust between you and your customers, and it helps you sell more because people know they are buying from somebody they trust and like. Okay, so that is very, very important. All right, because a wise man once said, if you cannot put a face, if you want to start a business and you cannot put your face to it, then you shouldn't start that business because you don't believe in that business, or maybe you're planning on doing something shitty. That's why you don't want to put your face to the brand or to the business. Okay, so you should put your face to your business because you believe in your business. It's more of like, I'm selling clothes or I'm making clothes. I'm a fashion designer and I don't wear my own designs, okay, because I don't like them. Are you kidding me? So you're supposed to wear your own designs so other people can actually wear them, all right? Or like a shoemaker who makes shoes and don't wear his own shoes, right? It's not cool. People, you lead by example. You wear your own stuff. You show up, okay? When you show people that I represent my brand, I promise you that I myself can buy from myself also. So encouraging you to, as a customer, to buy from me, all right? That will be easy. That will make you or help you sell more online, okay? So we're going to be hearing from Mr. Ubi shortly because I just did a brief 1-minute interview with him, which I know you're going to be learning some few tips, okay, when starting a business and running an online business anywhere you are in the world. This is also very important. Sorry about the audio to not be so clear because the environment was noisy. It wasn't so clear, but I was able to put a subtitle. I was able to subtitle the video, so maybe you can. I definitely know you're going to learn a thing or two from it. My name is Francis Abogonye. If this is the first time on finding me online, I mostly make entrepreneurship videos, make money online methods and strategies. Okay, I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, okay, I invite you to smash the red subscribe button, tick the bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come up with any new videos. And if you learn anything new in this video today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments of this video. Let me play the video right now and hope you learn something new. Enjoy.
In online business, you need to put your face to the business. You need to make sure that the reason why people don't buy from people online is because they don't trust who they actually are trying to buy from. I also believe that if you can put your face to your brand because of these days and how people duplicate a lot of things online, and people don't trust other people online. You see, there are a lot of people that use my face to dupe people on social media, and it's sad. So you need to also make sure that you do a lot of background checks to make sure that you are actually buying from the right person, right? Or actually pay money to the right person. I think that's about it.
One biggest challenge a lot of Nigerians get because of our reputation in the outside world. Once a client abroad knows that you're in Nigeria, then say, I don't want to work in Nigeria.
See, there's really nothing we can do about that. We can't change that right now because it's an image damage that has gone so deep into the country. It's not just about him, the individual. So we need to find a way in our own way to make the country better. And gradually we'll get there.
So what would be like 3 tips you give people who want to start a business?
Read properly, get the right information. Don't just start up a business because you just want to start up a business because somebody's starting a business. Start up a business because you have the passion, you have the right tips, or you have the right information to actually start that business. A business might be good on the business plan, but it might not be good on the execution. So, yeah.
Thank you very much.